Changing the email link to your Epic Games account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your current email and password. Make sure you have access to the email account currently linked to your Epic Games account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access the email address section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the General tab. Here, you will find your current email address listed. Click on the Edit button next to the email address. Step 4. Enter your new email address. Type in the new email address you wish to link to your Epic Games account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. After entering the new email, click on Send Verification Email to receive a confirmation link. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your new email inbox for the verification email from Epic Games. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm the change. Once verified, your Epic Games account will be linked to the new email address. By following these steps, you can successfully change the email associated with your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for assistance.